We went to the FedEx Mid-Atlantic Hub here at the Piedmont Triad Airport in preparation for a class project that's coming up. And they provided us a great opportunity to not only experience what it was like to load a cargo plane, but we actually had actual employees walk us through the process. Our project that's coming up right after the Thanksgiving break is for us to do a freight loading project. We're working on making sure that the weight and the balance of the aircraft is properly done and the load sequence of how you put the product in the cargo plane is correct. So we went over to FedEx to see exactly how they loaded cargo inside the hull of a cargo plane. And the students just got an idea of what types of operations and what things they would have to go through in order to do that. But for them to see a cargo plane and how cargo flies across the world was going to be a great visual experience that was going to help them once we started the project.
And when you step outside and they show you the two different planes and everything like that and everything they use and made to get the cargo on the ship, it's like, wow. I've never seen a plane up close, so to see a real live FedEx plane that delivers my mail as huge as that was really awesome. It was a great experience.
It gave me like a better visual of how we would go about the process and all like the different steps involved in it. Like when it comes to loading it, instead of like they don't load just individual boxes, they load them into big like pallets and containers, and they go and move it into the back of the plane. And that's how we ship it.
Just for having the opportunity, I think it shouldn't be taken for granted because I know a lot of other schools who don't have this kind of opportunity. So to know that I got it passed my way, that's like, okay, now I know it needs to be taken more seriously and everything like that. And now that I have the opportunity, I'm not letting it go.